nice topic that we need to discuss today is job stress. Job stress is basically a stress which is related to job. Before understanding the job stress, first we will discuss about what is stress. Stress is anything which is not good for our health or which affect our well-being is basically stress to us. Stress may be negative, may be positive. Stress which helps you to, if it is positive, create a sense of belongingness to you. It helps you to give your best. It helps the organization to make their organization or make their surrounding at the best. So we cannot say that stress is a negative or a positive. Prolonged stress may be negative, but some amount of or a little amount of stress is required to everyone. If we are a living person, we cannot say that we are not having stress. We all are having stress for one or another thing, in one or another sense. We all are having stress, but stress is sometimes create urgency to us. But if it prolonged, it it become a causes of serious illness to a person. It makes an employee ill. It makes an employee unhealthy. It makes an employee unproductive if the stress prolonged for a long time. So first of all, we have to understand what is stress, and if that stress comes from the job, it becomes job stress. Job stress basically related to the many of the perspectives. Sometimes it is felt, sometimes it is heard, and sometimes it is overlooked. But the stress which is prolonged for us for a longer time. So a manager has to understand what is the reason of stress. Why my employees are not performing well? What is the reason behind due to what my employee is feeling stress? So our employee may have stress due to the professional reason, due to the personal reason. So a manager always tries to understand कि what are the different perspective for which that employee is having stress into the organization. So our PPT of today's is depend upon that topic only, which is basically particular about the stress and the job stress. So let's start. Job stress refers to the physical and the emotional strain resulting from job related pressure. It occurs when work demand exceed an individual capacity to cope up and leading to negative impact on health, productivity and overall well-being. Understanding its causes is essential for effective management. Sometimes it start affecting the employee in a longer run because sometimes employee become incapable to cope up with those frustration and anxiety, pressure, strain which comes from the stress. Job stress, if I talk about the job stress, so it is an emotional and a physical strain and arising from the work related pressure. Symptoms include fatigue and anxiety, irritability, difficulty concentrating, and physical issues like headache and sleep disturbance, indicating the negative impact of stress and overall well-being and the job performance. So now we all can understand okay, what stress can come to our life. Through stress, we may feel pressure, we may feel fatigue, we may feel headache, we may feel lose of concentration, we cannot concentrate, we cannot do a work with perfection. So we cannot do anything perfectionally if we are under stress. And what is it if I talk about what is the difference between stress and the job stress? So stress may be any condition which basically affect my well-being, and job stress when my well-being is affected by the job only, and the reason behind that illness is due to the job, then it becomes the job stress. There may be a several reason of job stress into the organization: workload and time pressure, lack of control and autonomy, poor work environment in which we are working, if subordinate and senior relationship are not good, my employee or my peer group is not supporting to me, my boss while giving the instructions many times he or she start bullying me, then environment may be hostile and employees cannot perform better in that organization. So sometimes, as we say also, okay, people lose their bosses, not their jobs. It is due to the poor work environment. The rules and regulation and the guidelines of the organization are not up to the mark, and lack of control. and the autonomy of the employee has no right to do their work by their own. Every time he gets instructions from here and there and he is performing his duty or her duty, so a person may be under stress, or there are a lot of work and time pressure to the employee, so stress may come to the employee. Impact of job stress: physical health problems may come and mental health problems may come. So employee may feel mental health as well as the physical health may be the outcome of having the prolonged stress to the employee. Effect on job performance: if we talk about the effect of the job performance, so it decrease the productivity of the employee, it increase the absenteeism, the tendency of absenteeism increase due to the stress. Poor job satisfaction: you will not be satisfied with your job, what your job is demanding and what you are performing, there is a no sync into it. Every time you think I am not able to do anything, I am good for nothing, I am a person who is not required anywhere, and this type of feeling arises when a person is under stress. Why I am working in that organization, there is no worth of mine into the organization. Sometimes employee may also think like this, and it creates the job withdrawal and absenteeism tendency of the employee within the organization. Because high stress level, if the stress level will be high, the employee will be in furious, he will not be stable, he will try to escape from the things, he will try to make absent from different things, never ever want to face to someone, never ever want to face the challenging jobs into the organization. So these problems may come to the employee who are under stress. Recognizing the job stress: commonly work stressors and personal triggers. Sometimes कुछ common workplace stressors होते हैं. Stressors are the methods or the reasons by which that stress originated are called stressors. Personal triggers are the, like, if I want the work with the full perfection, and due to stress, if I am not able to do the work with perfection, so I may have stress. If I cannot control my anger, I may be under stress. If I cannot control my emotions, I may be under stress. So they all are the personal triggers, right? And common workplace stressors so hai, like your boss, workplace relationship, and insecurity about the job, support from the colleague, organizational policies are not supportive, time of the organization is weird, different things may be there which makes an employee unsatisfied by their job. Sign of job stress: behavioral indicators and emotional indicators. Are behavioral indicators and sometimes emotional indicators basically indicates what type of stress we have into the organization, they show it very clearly. Managing job stress: time management techniques are there. Relaxation and mindful practices: some mindful practices like yoga and meditation can be done to reduce stress. See, stress can be reduced but cannot be, stress can be managed but cannot be eliminated. Stress may be reduced, may be channelized, but cannot be evacuated, it cannot be stopped. Organizational strategy: creating a supportive and work environment. Training and development programs can also be there to increase the efficiency of the employee.